Psalm 126, a song of ascents. When the Lord restored the fortunes of Zion, we were like those who dream. Then our mouth was filled with laughter and our tongue with shouts of joy. Then they said among the nations, "The Lord has done great things for them. The Lord has done great things for us. We are glad." Restore our fortunes, O Lord, like streams in the Negev. Those who sow in tears shall reap with shouts of joy. He who goes out weeping, bearing the seed for sowing, shall come home with shouts of joy, bringing his sheaves with him. What comes into most people's minds when they hear the word Christianity? Perhaps they associate it with rules or moralism or going to church or narrow-mindedness. What comes into most people's minds when they hear the word party? Perhaps celebration, good times, fun, laughter, shouting. Consider this psalm. Consider what Christianity actually is. It is the turning from every hollow pleasure of this world to real joy. As C.S. Lewis famously put it in his essay, The Weight of Glory, we are half-hearted creatures fooling about with drink and sex and ambition when infinite joy is offered us, like an ignorant child who wants to go on making mud pies in a slum because he cannot imagine what is meant by the offer of a holiday at the sea. This is life with God. Solid joy, not empty excitement. The kind of deep happiness that makes us truly human, which we long for and stumble around seeking to find but often miss. This does not mean life with God is pain-free. This very psalm is a community lament, reflecting on a past season of divine mercy, with a plea for renewed mercy. But the psalmist sees through the veil of sorrows. He sees that on the other side of weeping is joy. He sees that the night of sorrow will one day turn to the morning of gladness. This is the rhythm of Christianity. Christ himself went through this, the weeping of the cross, to the joy of the resurrection. In the Lord's restorative work in Christ is true laughter and shouts of joy. Life in Christ is a celebration, not shallow merriment, but a deep, pain-acknowledging celebration, for the best is yet to come.